What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy here once more, and I'm back with another one. I'm hiking the trail I've been at before, up at Emery Creek, and we're just going a little farther today. And I'm recording this on my phone right now because I want to get two different feeds. I'm using my T3i, the Canon, and I just want to make sure I got two forms of coverage. So if one doesn't work out, I have a backup, you know. But yeah, I made it up here and I've been walking around for a little bit, trying to be careful and everything, because there's a bunch of rocks and stuff. But like I said, I've been up here before, so you know, I'm still not taking it for granted though. I'm being safe, guys. So this is just a little, this will be a separate feed. So I'll have two videos, two different ones, one on my camera and one on my phone. All right. Let's go. Well, what's going on, YouTube? This is it should be inside the video somewhere. I don't know where I'm going to put it, but I'm still making my way up the creek. Like I said, it's Emery Creek, and we've been here before. I'm trying to get two feeds in, yeah. I know I probably look like a Boy Scout in my getup, but I'm far from it, guys. Like I said, I'm just amateur. But I had to get out, guys. I had to do some hiking. You know, even if it's kind of intermediate or beginner, yeah. But I'll show you a bunch of pictures and keep it rolling, guys. Keep it rolling.